Skincare essentials for beginners, must-have products for a healthy routine. Welcome back, skincare enthusiast. What are the must-have products for a beginner's skincare routine? Hey there, skincare enthusiasts. Today's video is all about building a beginner's skincare routine. If you're new to skincare or feeling overwhelmed by the countless options out there, worry not. We'll guide you through the must-have products that will lay the foundation for healthy, radiant skin. Let's get started. Step 1. Cleansing. The first step in any skincare routine is cleansing. Look for a gentle cleanser suited for your skin type. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, a cleanser will help remove dirt, oil, and impurities. Massage the cleanser onto damp skin, rinse thoroughly, and pat dry. Step 2. Toner. Next up, we have toner. This often underrated step helps balance the skin's pH, tighten pores, and prepare your skin for the next products. Look for alcohol-free toners with ingredients like witch hazel or rosewater. Apply the toner using a cotton pad or spritz it onto your face for a refreshing boost. Step 3. Moisturizer. Moisturizer is a vital step that shouldn't be skipped, regardless of your skin type. It helps hydrate and nourish your skin while creating a protective barrier. Choose a moisturizer suitable for your skin's needs, whether it's lightweight for oily skin or richer for dry skin. Apply it morning and night for optimal hydration. Step 4. Sunscreen. Sunscreen is a non-negotiable step to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Apply it generously to all exposed areas, including your face, neck, and hands. Remember to reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're spending time outdoors. Step 5. Optional. Serums or treatment products. If you want to take your routine a step further, consider incorporating serums or treatment products. These can target specific concerns like hyperpigmentation, acne, or aging. Vitamin C serums, retinol, or hyaluronic acid are popular choices. Start with one product and gradually introduce others to avoid overwhelming your skin. Congratulations! You now have the essential products for a beginner's skincare routine. Remember, skincare is a journey, and it's important to listen to your skin's needs. Take your time to find the right products and establish a consistent routine. Don't forget to hydrate, eat well, and prioritize self-care. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.